Jazz here, with another video. It's been a while since I've done a video and that, and I finally got a tripod, so the videos can be better quality in a way. So this got another pack from Seto or Seto. I don't know how you pronounce it, but either way, Seto. So put some different artists in here. Bum. I don't know how to say that. BMUSE. Snack crate. Another one of these ones. Who, PDK, and Seto BSP. So you've got a lot of these. Got a stack of those. Nice, clean design. Who, BDK. I'm guessing that's some sort of crew or something like that. Who? Okay, this is some sort of crew, I'm guessing. Or who's someone? I don't know. Exxon, I'm guessing. Got a few of those. Oh, my bad. Nox, I'm guessing. Nox and Seto collab. Got a few of those. Changing up the design a bit throughout the collab. Just put these over there. Got some Canadian money. I think. Yeah, Canadian money. 25 cents, I think. PDK is the crew, I'm guessing, and I don't know who he's, either a person or whatever. We've got a collaboration. I'll put something here and then I'll pass that on. So, nice little pack from Seto or Seto. Him and I are pretty close. Well, not close, but we trade quite a bit. Once every 6 months or so, and I've just bought a pack from him, just waiting for that to arrive, and I'll do a video when that arrives. So bye for now.